All right, we're going to move on to example 3. Now, as you look at this, for some of these problems, we're going to have a log on both sides of an equation. If there's a log on both sides, and they are the same, if you notice in example A, it's log base 2 and log base 2. If those are the same, all I have to do is equal this part equal to that part. So I'm going to set x squared minus 4 equal to 3x. Now, using how we solve items with x squared and an x, I'm going to get everything on the same side. So if I subtract 3x, I'm going to get x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. To solve this, I can factor. If I factor this, it's x minus 4, x plus 1. So my two solutions are 4 and negative 1. Now, we do have to plug these back in. A couple things you have to understand is we can't have 0 inside a log, and we can't have a negative. So if it's negative, we can't do it. Like I can't take a log of negative 3 and make it work. So as I plug in these numbers, if I plug 4 into both sides, I get a number. So that works. If I plug negative 1 into here, I'm going to get log of negative 3. If you plug that into your calculator, that doesn't work. It's going to say domain error. So negative 1 will not work when you plug that in. You can get a negative solution as long as when you plug it in, it's positive. So looking at example B, again, I have the same log on both sides. I'm going to set the items inside equal to each other. I have an x squared and an x, so I'm going to get everything on the same side. I'm going to factor x minus 5 and x plus 3 because 5 times 3 is 15. If negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. I solve those, I get 5 and a negative 3. The same thing applies where the 5, when I plug it back in, I get the number 10 on both sides. But when I plug in the number negative 3, right here, I get a negative 6. So that one does not work. I can do the same thing below